Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. In today's video we're going to be working on Project Pontoon boat. As you can see here, we've got quite a bit of staining on the side of the pontoon. Kind of a combination of many years of corrosion mixed with algae and scum out of the lake. I'm guessing this boat spent much of its life tied up to a dock sitting in the water looking at the condition of the pontoons. So what we're going to take is a combination of hot water and Spray 9, seems to work pretty good, and some Scotch-Brite, and clean the worst of this scum off of here. Follow along, hopefully you enjoy this one, and stay tuned to the end and I'll show you a little bonus repair we're going to do. Well guys, I think that's as far as we're going to take this today. As you can see, there's still a little bit of green on there. That'll come off in the next stage in a little project that we're working on here. This side was a little harder to clean up than the other side. I don't know why. That green stripe right along the water line just did not want to come off. I actually had to use the drill. The other side I was able to do it with elbow grease. But to show you where we're headed with this, I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. This side is polished quite nicely. Of course, the rain that we're working in doesn't help matters much. You can still see a little bit of the green scum along the water line there, but I'm not all that concerned about it. The part that's above the water is quite a bit nicer. As I said in the evaluation video, episode 1, perfect isn't really an option with this thing. It is 35 or so years old, 36, 37. So, you know, we'll call this good enough. Now let me show you that bonus little repair that I want to do at the front. As you can see, this poor old beast, I think, has been in a bit of a battle with a dock or two over its life. So take a nice little solid hammer and a dead blow and see if we can straighten this out a little bit. Also, we got this little dent here. That looks a lot better. Here we go. Not perfect, but much straighter than it was. A little bit more. There we go. I'll pull you off the monopod and show you what we've got. Much better than it was. And this side wasn't as bad, and it turned out a little bit better, but for the most part, pretty good. Anyways, I think we're going to end this video here. No sense making you guys watch me scrubbing things in the rain. Thanks a lot for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next mess.